Have you all completed? This is one of the important problems that you can expect in the end semester examination. Okay. A piston cylinder machine contains a fluid system, comma, which passes through a complete cycle of 4 processes. Full stop. During a cycle, comma, the sum of all heat transfers is minus 170 kilojoule. Full stop. The system completes 100 cycles per minute. Complete the following table showing the method for each item and compute the net rate of work output in kilowatt. So we have 4 columns: process A to B, okay, Q, heat transfer Q, work done W, and internal energy. Either it may be expressed in delta E or it may be expressed in delta U. Okay, have we all completed? So have we all completed? Have you all completed this question?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
அது குயிக்கா கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணுங்கப்பா. Completed? Once you completed, please inform me.
Completed, sir.
Okay. So what is the first law of thermodynamics? The first law of thermodynamics indicates that Q equal to delta U plus W. Am I correct? So
Yes, sir.
in this problem, let us consider this process A to B. Okay. Let us consider this process A to B. What is Q? W, that is W is given as 2170 and delta E is nil. Okay, so we are going to find out this delta U. This dash 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 represents the question mark. Okay. We can write like this. Okay. Now we can easily identify. So what is for process A to B, delta U can be found out by using this formula. That is Q is equal to delta U plus W. So here Q is equal to W, then delta U plus W, that is plus 2170. Okay, then delta U is equal to minus 2170. Okay, here we have to write it as minus 2170. Okay, understood? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Then we are going for the next process, process B to C. Process B to C, which term we have to find out it? Process B to C, which term we have to find out?
Delhi.
Delhi Lama, del U. Internal energy. Okay. So that is delta U. Okay. The internal energy we need to find out. That is also given by the formula Q equal to del U plus W. So then what is the formula? What is the answer for delta U? What is the answer for delta U? Calculate and tell me.
21,000, sir.
21,000, that is plus 21,000. Okay, kilojoule per minute. See here, your people are not following the unit. Okay, so whenever you write the answer, you need to you need to write along with the unit. Okay, so if anyone have not yet completed the unit, so I will be awarded 0 marks to you. Okay, the unit conversion is very important, right, Appa? Okay, then what is the process of C2D? Which term we have to find out? Process C2D W, right? W thanappa? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
W.
Yes, sir.
What is the answer for W? சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். இங்க -2100, இங்க -36600. Okay, tell me the answer for W. Process C2D. சொல்லுங்கப்பா. ரொம்ப கஷ்டமான ப்ராப்ளமா? Tell me the answer for W.
34,500, sir.
34,500. Very good. Okay, so we have completed all these data. Okay, so let me write first. Whenever you find, okay, we have to fix it. So what is the answer for this? Delta U, is the answer என்னப்பா? -2170. இதுக்கு B2C க்கு
21,000, sir.
2100. Okay, 21,000. Okay. இதுக்கு W, process C2D W minus is a plus R, 34,500. Okay, now the unknown term is D2A. We don't know about Q, we don't know about W, and we don't know about delta U. Okay, so the question they have given us, the system completes during a cycle, the sum of all heat transfer is equal to -170 kilojoule. Okay, இது அவ்வளோத்தையும் கூட்டும்போது ஆட் பண்ணும்போது we will be getting -170 kilojoule. Okay, the system completes 100 cycles per minute. That is important word. Okay, so this is very important term. Okay, the questions they are given during a cycle, the sum of all heat transfer is -170. So we have to write it as the system completes 100 cycles per minute. So the sum of cycle is -170 into 100. We will be getting, that is the summation of QA to B, QB to C, QC to D plus QD to A equal to -17,000 kilojoule per minute. Okay, understood? Understood, Abba?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood. Then we have to add all these terms. That is process Q A to B, process plus Q B to C, plus Q C to D, plus Q D to A is equal to this value, -17,000 kilojoule per minute. So that is given here. So from this data, we can find out Q D to A. So can we find out this? We can find out பண்ணிடலாமா? That is -35,900. So can we find out like this?
Yes, sir.
Now Q, once we have completed the Q for the process D to A, the next we are moving on to the del E, that is delta U. That is given by, we know that the cyclic integral of delta E, that is the internal energy, is equal to 0. That is the cyclic integral of any property is 0. That is very, very, very important. So we can assume that for the process A to B to process delta u A to B and delta u D to A is equal to 0. Then we have to add all this data and we have to find out the delta u for the process D to A. So we will be getting the answer as 17,770 kilojoule. So the only thing we have the left out is W D to A. So that W D to A can be found out by using the formula Q equal to del U plus W. Okay, see here, that can be found out. Okay, so once we find out all the data, we have to fill up in the given box. The box la நம்ம complete பண்ணனும். ஓகேங்களா? After that, we have to find out the important term, that is the compute the net rate of work output in kilowatt. Net rate of work output in kilowatt. That is very, 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 very important. That is, we know that Q equal to W. Okay, that is minus 17,000. That is the cyclic. Cycle minus 17,170 kilojoule into 100 divided by 60. Okay, that is rate output in kilowatt. That is minus 283.33 kilowatt. Okay, see here we have to write the output in kilowatt. What is kilojoule? Here they have given it as kilojoule. So you to convert the kilojoule to kilowatt, we have to multiply by second. Okay, divided by second. That is joule per second is equal to, see here, the joule per second is equal to watt. Okay, per minute is calculated. Okay, see here they have given for 1 minute. Okay, cycles per minute. Okay, so we have to divide it by 60. We have to divide it by 60. Then we can get the kilowatt minus 283.33 kilowatt. Okay, have you all understood this problem? Have you all understood? புரிஞ்சுதாப்பா?
Yes.
Okay, please take down this problem. Please take down. I will be giving 5 minutes. Please take down. Have you all completed? Last class la promise பண்ணீங்க, cooperate பண்ணுவேன், பேசுவேன் அப்படி சொல்லிட்டு each and every students, but still I am not getting any responses from your side. இல்லையாப்பா?
Yes, sir. We are copying, sir.
Copy பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம் சார்.
சொல்லிட்டே இருங்க, ஏதாவது பேசிக்கிட்டே இருங்க, அப்பதான் நீங்க இருக்கீங்களா இல்லையான்னு எங்களுக்கு தெரியும். ரைட்? இல்ல நீங்க உங்க பாட்டுக்கு நான் கிளாஸ் எடுத்துட்டு இருப்பேன், நீங்க டிவி பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கலாம், நியூஸ் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கலாம். ஓகே, இப்போ ஒரு பேஜ் கீழே போகணும்னா நீங்க சொல்லுங்க, நான் ப்ரௌஸ் பண்றேன், கீழே ஸ்க்ரால் பண்றேன். ஓகே, யூ கேன் ஏபிள் டு ரைட் டவுன். Completed?
Sir, no, sir.
Sir.
சொல்லுங்க. Tell me. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think you all have completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So can you take down this next problem? Please take down this problem. Next problem. A reagent tank containing 0.4 meter cube of air at 400 kilopascal and 30 degrees Celsius is connected by a valve to a piston cylinder device with zero clearance. Full stop. The mass of the piston is such that a pressure of 200 kilopascal is required to raise the piston. Full stop. The valve is now opened slightly and air is allowed to flow. Air is allowed to flow into the cylinder until the pressure in the tank drops to 200 kilopascal. Full stop. During this process, heat is exchanged with the surroundings such that the entire air remains at 30 degrees Celsius at all times. Full stop. Determine the heat transfer for this process. Okay. Sir, have you all written? Have you all written the question?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Anyone in your class can read out the question and please express the meaning of the question. யாராச்சும் ஒரு வாலண்டியர் தயவு செஞ்சு இந்த கொஸ்டின்ல என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க and you can express the meaning of the questions. First we have to understand the question. Okay? So first anyone in your class தப்பா இருந்தாலும் பரவாயில்ல, தயவு செஞ்சு முயற்சி பண்ணுங்க. I can help you. Okay? Questions மட்டும் நீங்க சொல்லுங்க. Okay? என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்கன்னு சொல்லி சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். Anyone? If you are not interested, I will be calling out the name. Okay, any volunteer? சொல்லுங்கப்பா.
Sir,
சொல்லுங்கப்பா.
a rigid tank containing 0.4 centimeters of an air at 400 kilopascal. 100 degrees Celsius connected by a valve to a piston cylinder device.
ராஜாக்கா, கொஸ்டினை வாசிக்க வேண்டாம், நீங்க மீனிங் மட்டும் சொல்லுங்க. கொஸ்டின்ஸ்ல என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்கங்கிற அந்த மீனிங் மட்டும் சொல்லுங்க.
30 degrees Celsius வந்து ஒரு piston cylinderோட valve கனெக்ட் பண்ணிருக்காங்க சார்.
Okay. Okay.
The mass of the piston is such that pressure of 200 kilopascal is required to raise the piston. அதாவது அந்த பிஸ்டனை ரைஸ் பண்றதுக்கு அவங்க வந்து 200 kilopascal அந்த ப்ரெஷர் அளவுக்கு அவங்க கொடுக்குறாங்க. அதாவது மாஸ் ஆஃப் த பிஸ்டனுக்கு வந்து 200 kilopascal வந்து தேவைப்படுது.
ஓகே.
அந்த இப்ப பண்ணதுனால அந்த வால்வ் வந்து லைட்டா ஓபன் ஆயிருக்குங்க சார். அந்த அப்புறம் ஏர் வந்து அந்த சிலிண்டர்ல வந்து பாஸ் ஆகுதுங்க சார்.
ஓகே.
During this process, heat வந்து சரௌண்டிங்ஸோட entire air is at all times. Sir, in meaning, ஃபைனலா வந்து ஹீட் ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் எவ்வளோ ஹீட் ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் ஆகுதுன்னு வந்து பார்க்க
சரி.
சொல்லுங்க.
Okay. So in this question, an air, okay, at a pressure of 400 kilopascal and 30 degrees Celsius is stored inside the piston and cylinder. Okay, with zero clearance. What do you mean by this here zero clearance? Now, let us consider this as the piston and cylinder. Okay, now the zero clearance sense that, sorry, zero clearance என்ன சொல்லுதுன்னா up to this இதுதான் zero clearance. Okay, up to this position only the piston can able to travel. Okay, okay, so here it is 400 kPa with a volume 4.4 meter cube. So in order to exert the piston, we have to lift the force of 200 kilopascal. This force we have to give a force of pressure of 200 kilopascal to raise this piston so that the volume will be expanded, the volume will be more. Okay, so in this process we have to find out the heat transfer Q. Okay, so here they have given the volume V1 and the pressure P1 and temperature T1 and the pressure, that is the 200 kilopascal pressure is given. So can anyone tell me what is the formula to find out the Q? Q is equal to del U plus W. So here the internal energy is zero, there is no heat transfer. Okay, so that is del U is equal to W, therefore W equal to Q. So we know that for the piston cylinder displacement, we know that the formula for the work done is given by integral 1 to 2 P dV. So we are taking P outside and we are taking the value 1 to 2 dV. So we don't know about the value of V2. இதுல வந்து V2 கம்மியா இருக்குமா கூடுதலா இருக்குமா? When we exert, when we give the pressure to the cylinder, this area, whether the volume, it will be automatically move to the upward side. So the volume will increase or decrease. V2 வந்து 0.4 விட கூடுதலா இருக்குமா கம்மியா இருக்குமா?
Hi, sir.
High. Okay, so see here our automatically our answer will be in high. Okay, so in order to find out the V2, we can be use the formula P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. Okay, from this formula we can able to find out the volume of the second stage. Okay, so that is given by P1 V1 divided by this P2, we will be getting 0.8 meter cube. Okay, after that we are substituting this pressure P2. So we have to give the exit pressure, that is 200 kilopascal into 0.8 minus 0.4, that is W is equal to 80 kilojoule. So in this question we have to find out the heat transfer, right? So that is the heat transfer rate is given by Q is equal to W. Therefore Q is equal to 80 kilojoule. Okay, have you all understood this simple problem? Have you all understood? Okay, please copy down. Please take down this problem. Have you all completed?
Sir, no, sir.
Whether you are finding it very easy in thermodynamics? Thermodynamics problem எப்படி இருக்கு? Whether it is easy or difficult? Tell me, pa. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Whether this flow is enough?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think
Yes, sir.
you might have familiar with these two problems, right? ரெண்டு ப்ராப்ளம் உங்களுக்கு ஃபெமிலியர் ஆயிடுச்சு இல்லையா?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In next class, we will be doing the same problem with light modifications with inclusion of a few more terms. Okay. So let us increase the complexity level. Okay. அப்படி கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமா படிப்படியா கஷ்டத்துக்கு போலாம். Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the ரெண்டு ப்ராப்ளம்ல do you have any other doubts? From these two problems, if you are having any doubts, please let me know. If not, you can start write another question, only question alone. Can you able to write it? எழுதிடலாமா?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Good. A gas undergoes ஒரு நிமிஷம் இருங்க. Yeah, you take down this question. Question மட்டும் எழுதுங்கப்பா. தெரியுதா?
Yes,
Is it
sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please take down the problem alone. Question மட்டும் எழுதி வைங்க. We can continue it in the next class. Completed? Have you all completed, pa?
No, sir.
Quick எழுதுங்க. The time is up. Completed? Completed appa? Okay. Thank you everyone for attending today's session. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Good.
you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.